Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to create a call, like a voice or video call with the Google Chat application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Chat application by slide your screen into the right side and just type a chat on your app library search button, and after that you just need to go click it to open it. And if you can see, there is no logged information, the call history information on your Google Chat applications, right? So actually, to create the calls with the Google Chat, you just need to open the conversation or find someone that you want to call. So let's say here I want to call my friends. So you just need to open the call conversation. Just activate this because I already hide the conversations. And to create a call, you just need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be two sections right there. Go click this part, and there will be give you an option. Either you want to have the chat audio for the voice call or chat video for the video call. So that is the way, guys, how to create a call with the Google Chat application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I will see you for the next tutorial.